Hi students, in this video let us learn about mean of group data. How to find mean of group data? There are three methods to find mean of group data: direct method, assume mean method and step deviation method. In this video we'll learn direct method, assume mean method and step deviation method we will learn in the future videos. Okay. I have a small example here. Before starting the example, let me tell you something. If you need offline tuitions, the details will be given in the description below. Okay, so let us start with the example. The following table shows marks of 30 students. Find mean. So this is the table. What does this table represent? This table represents marks of 30 students. Okay, so 3 students got 0 to 10 marks, 5 students got 10 to 20 marks, 8 students got 20 to 30 marks, 7 students got 30 to 40 marks, 7 more students got 40 to 50 marks. This is the information given. We need to find the mean of this. Okay, we are going to use direct method. Alright, so we'll draw one more column here. And what are we going to write in this column? We will write xi, that is class marks. Okay. Now what are these class marks? See here, we have 3 students who got 0 to 10 marks. So let us say these are the 3 students, okay, who got 0 to 10 marks. We don't know how many marks each individual student got, isn't it? Maybe this first student might have gotten 1 mark, second student 1 mark, third student also 1 mark, okay, or maybe 9 mark, 9 and 9 here, right? So we don't know exactly how many marks each student got. So what do we do here is we take the average of these numbers 0 and 10. So we write 0 plus 10 divided by 2. So this will be 10 by 2, it will be equal to 5. Okay, we take the middle number of this 0 and 10, lower limit, upper limit. And we assume that each student might have gotten 5 marks. Okay. So 3 students got 5 marks each. That is what we assume. Alright. So 0 plus 10 divided by 2. It is equal to 5 and we write that 5 here. 10 plus 20 divided by 2 is 30. 30 divided by 2 is 15. Okay. 10 plus 20 divided by 2 is 30. 30 divided by 2 is 15. Or what number comes between 10 and 20? 15, right? So you can write it like that also. So I am going to write 25 here because middle number of 20 and 30 is 25, middle number of 30 and 40 is 35. This is 45. Okay. I hope you understood how we got this. Alright. Now, this is xi and this is fi, frequencies. Okay, how often something is coming. Like for example, in our case, 5 is coming 3 times. Okay, and 15 is coming 5 times, 25 is coming 8 times. So, direct method formula is mean x bar is equal to sigma fi xi divided by sigma fi. Now, sigma fi xi divided by sigma fi. So we know sigma fi. How many students? 30 students. Or you can count this and get 30 students. So this is our sigma fi. Now what is fi xi? Fi xi is multiplication of this. So let us write, draw the fourth column fi xi. Fi multiplied by xi. This number multiplied by this. 3 times 5 is 15. This is 75 and 8 times 25, 160 and 40, it is 200. 21, okay, 35, 7, 21, 24, so this is 245. Okay, 45 times 7, 7 5 is 35, 28, 315. Okay, so we have found multiplication. Now it is sigma here. Sigma means addition, right? Sigma of what? Fi xi. That means addition of all this. Okay, so what do we have here? I'll write it properly. this is 15, this is 75. Okay, so 20, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 and 7, 24, 25. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hang on a second. So this is 315, 245, 200, 75 and 15. So this is 20, 6, 7. Okay. 7, 7, 14 and 15. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is 850. Okay. I was going to write 950. So sigma Fi xi. Sigma Fi xi is 850 now, right? So x bar, that is our mean, will be equal to 850 divided by 30. So 0, 0 will get cancelled. 85 divided by 3. 3 2 is 6. 25. Okay. 7 is 3. 8 is 24. 1. 3 3 is 9, and this will continue, right? So this is 28.33. Okay. So our mean is 28.33. Alright, I hope you understood this problem. So in the next video, we'll study about assume mean method. Okay. And if you want offline tuition, the details are given in the description. Thank you so much for watching the video.